Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw Bugs Bunny. Do you know who is Bugs Bunny? Bugs Bunny is a funny and clever rabbit from the Looney Tunes cartoon. He loves to eat carrots and often say, "What's up, doctor?" Bugs Bunny is a very smart and always find a way to outsmart his enemies. He goes on so many adventures and make everyone laugh with his jokes and tricks. Bugs Bunny is a favorite character for many kids because he is so funny and entertaining. In this cartoon, Bugs Bunny encounters different characters like ducks, etc. He uses wits and humor to get over the tricky situation and always comes out on the top. Bugs Bunny's playful personality and clever antics make him a beloved character for kids and toddlers. Watching Bugs Bunny is not only fun but also teach kids about using their brain to solve the problem. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the